Okay, in this experiment you're going to measure respiration. So this is your respirometer. This is soda lime in the bottom here and a little bit of cotton packing. First you just want to make sure that this cotton packing is not so tight that there's no exchange of gases, because you want there to be a free flow of gases so that the carbon dioxide can be completely absorbed by the soda lime. So just check it. If there's a little too much cotton, you can pull some out and then pack it back in here. You're going to be doing the respiration measurements first with dry beans and also with sprouted beans. What you want to do is just take some sprouted beans or dry beans, whichever you're doing at the time, put them in the tube, and you want to try and put as many in there as you can to, you don't want to be sitting here for a day and a half waiting for the liquid to rise up. So you should be able to fit a fair amount in there. When you sprout your beans, you want to make sure you do it in the dark too, so that there's no green formation, because if there's chlorophyll formed in there, then you're going to have some other processes going on that involve carbon dioxide and oxygen, and your measurements won't be accurate. Okay, so you want to make sure your seal is tight. If your seal isn't tight, then there won't be an accurate proportion to liquid raised as oxygen absorbed. So once that's sealed, maybe using some sort of glass cup or a mug, some kind, put some water in the bottom with some food coloring, and using some sort of small ruler so you can measure how high the liquid raises up. You want to prop this upside down with the pipette in the liquid, and I used a cardboard box, but however you can get it to work is fine, as long as you can measure how high the liquid raises up. So as soon as you put the pipette in the liquid, you might notice an initial rise, which could just be due to some pressure change. What you want is to find some starting point, maybe wait a few minutes for it to acclimate, and then measure where it's at on the ruler, and that's your starting measurement. So you want to measure for about a half hour or so, and then see how high the liquid has risen, and then subtract the initial amount from that so you can find the difference between the two. So you'll do that with the dry beans and the sprouted beans, and then with whatever else you can find that's alive. Because all living things use oxygen, so we should find that all living cells will cause a rise of liquid in the respirometer. Okay, good luck.